Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're down at my dad's house, and Dad's over here. Say hey to Dad.
Hey.
And Nathaniel's our filming guy today, cameraman. Say hey, Nathaniel.
Hello.
Hey guys, we're gonna grind this old cedar stump out of here. As you can see, at one time, a lot of it's rotted away, but you can see it's a pretty good sized stump here with a lot of roots going, looks like about probably 5-6 feet in diameter here. Well, we're going to take our Power King here, bring the camera over here, let the good people see what we're going to use here today. This is our Power King stump grinder, 14 horsepower. We're going to see if we can knock this thing out today, so stay tuned. Okay guys, first of all, we're taking, Dad's working with a shovel. He's pulling some of the mulch and stuff away. I got a little hoe here. I'm going to pull some of the dirt away, make sure we don't have any large rocks in here, because we definitely don't want to hit them with our stump grinder. Ain't too good for our teeth. So we're going to pull some, take a little bit of time, pull a little bit of the dirt away from these roots, and then we'll get started here soon. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started here. I'm going to go ahead and pull our little peg up here, put it in the work mode position, and we will get started here. I've already warmed it up a little bit. I'm gonna crank it and warm it again. And I'm gonna bring the throttle down just a little bit. We've already choked a while ago, so we should be pretty good. We're gonna let it warm up here just for a minute, and then we're gonna get to grinding on some of these roots out here toward the edge. Okay guys, hey, I think we about got this thing pretty much all the roots out of here. As you can see in the video, a lot of it we kind of busted loose. We saw it moving and we was able to just reach down, grab it, pull it on out of the ground. Dad's going to get the tiller right now. He's going to start tilling through this a little bit. And we're just going to see if we hit any more roots with the tiller that we might have to grind. We're going to get all this leveled out nice and smooth when we're done. Just stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, as you seen, Dad ran the tiller through here. I think we're going to take the shovel and the hard rake and just see if we can level this dirt on up around here. Make sure we don't have any more high spots. And we're just going to keep working with it here a little bit and getting close to calling this project done. Okay, we got it looking pretty good. Dad has went back out into the garage to grab his big old John Deere Z920A mower. Got these big old treaded tires on the back of him. He's gonna run over and kind of pack this down a little bit, and we'll see what it looks like after that. All right, guys, I think we're going to call this job done today. Bring the camera down, let the good people see what we've done. Got rid of the old cedar stump that was more than partially rotted out. Wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. We've leveled this area out a little bit. Dad's ran the mower over. I think it's looking pretty good. We're going to plant a little grass, throw a little straw on it, get it ready for springtime. Thank you for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend about us. We'll see you next time. Take care. Howdy ho, friends. We got a talking Geico right here. See if I can sneak up on him. See if he'll talk to us. Yeah. Well, hey there, Mr. Talking Geico. How are you?
Well, I'm doing fine. I'm just hanging out here since you pulled up that stuff where I was hiding at. Now I've got to figure out where I'm going. What are you getting ready to do out here?
Well, we're actually getting ready to grind this stump away that you're sitting on there.
Oh shit, I better get out of here before I end up being a statistic, a stump grinder statistic.
Yeah, you better get your ass on out of here, Mr. He's a big lizard.
Yeah.
He looks like he might bite you.
Oh no.
He's a big one. Look at that boy. Oh, uh-oh. Dad's gonna pick him up.
If I get him.
There we go. Dad's gonna,
oh.
Where you got? There he is. Talking Geico. So what do you think now, Mr. Geico?
I'm gonna take him to safety.
Dad's gonna take him to safety.
Yeah.
He's gonna have a new home over here.
All over here.
All right, thank you.
Go on now, go on, you can go.